guys, in Cervinia today, and today we have the chance to test the new Blizzard GS Racing World Cup, which is the 2014 model, which comes out with marker bindings and EPS plate. So let's go and test it out on the slopes.
Way back up in the woods among the evergreens, there stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B.
Well, of course, the target for this ski is ski racers or very good skiers that enjoy skiing fast on the slopes, on the piste, and through the gates.
Who never ever learned to read or write so well, but he could play a guitar just like a ring in a bell. Go, go!
Okay, let's see them through the gates. We have a GS slalom set, so that's a good opportunity to test them through the gates and see what the response will be. Let's go!
He used to carry his guitar in a gunny sack, go sit beneath the tree by the railroad track. Old engineer would sing,
If you are a GS ski racer, you will find immediately very good feeling with it. You will find it very stable. It really kicks you out of the turn. It's really very reactive. It's reasonably easy to bend, so after the first couple of turns that you have to really put a bit of strength and effort to get them to bend and to really carve, then you realize that they get into the swing and you easily go from turn to turn. It's not exactly very forgiving, so you have to really make sure you're not leaning too much into the turn with your shoulders. You stay on your ski solidly with a good pressure on your ankles forward. That's it. So the verdict is I'm very well impressed, guys. I really like the skis. I like the design, simple, orange and black, and with the straight sidewalls, reasonable, easy to flex, to bend in flexion. So it's not stiff as some other skis that I tried in the past. This one, it bends easily. In the GS course, fantastic acceleration, fantastic stability, and it really gives you the will of pushing forward to push your limits to see as fast as you can go in a GS course. So very recommended. Hope you guys get a pair of this Blizzard Racing GS.